have a BMW motorcycle.
When you come and track, you full your belly.
No, when you pass.
So the way they say that drive on the road now.
Is right here. We gon' give them what they came for. We gon' take it up from last year. Shoot 'em my shot, boy, I'm long range. Me and the team on the same thing. Stayed down, never switched up. Only thing changed was the game. I'm in the zone now.
No, listen, I wanted this 876. Yeah, actually, listen, we've been watching it all day. We've been doing well. We've been running Super Street, Craft, we've been running IP, and what else running?
Just them three, the IP.
I could have seen see out there on a motorcycle, a BMW.
It's the bike thing now, we need the roof and we need the...
I want to go talk to you just a while ago that bike and bicycle.
No. The skill for bike difference. When you have to give bikers that.
Well, 876 Streets is endorsing us drive of the day. I am saying to us more instrumental for what I've seen you do today. Your application and your attack consistently right out there, seeking every opportunity out there, doing what you did. We're up there as bird. I mean, congratulations on the drive today, and even to me, the stopping to me is a win because you did a full 100 effort. And I remember talking to you, it was in the beginning of COVID, you told me what your plan was, and you've executed it, and I've seen you do it, not only circuit, but in tracks. The only thing I know, the fear is because I handle it.
Yes. The drifting, I have fun on the road, but point to note.
You love the wait, they're coming for you. No.
We can't come out and turn and look at 360, but you see the skill level and how to do the drifting that we do. But you point to note, 230 horsepower. I have to drive the hell out of it.
It's beautiful. Now listen to me. Drive what you have. We don't watch what nobody else have. And see, you don't even have to call the number because how you drove today is almost like it was 800 horsepower.
I want 20 more horsepower.
Anyway, congratulations. Tell them 876.
876 every time and get on my bridge, you know, so you know it's going on. Big up, bro.
Well, him rooting for you, sir?
Yes, man.
All right, yes.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.